Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 sums in solid state lesson. This is one of the lessons in 12th standard. Okay, so let us see the sum one by one. First one, in a compound, atoms of Y forms CCP lattice and those of element X occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. The formula of the compound will be, okay, option A X3Y4, option B X4Y3, option C X2Y3, option D XY. So you must know the formula for that. We have formula for tetrahedral voids, formula for octahedral voids. If you know this, you can use to solve the sums. Second question, the ionic radii of A plus, cation, B minus is called anion, or 0.98 into 10 power minus 10 meter and 1.81 into 10 power minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion in AB is option A 8, option B 2, option C 6, option D 4. Then also we have one formula for that. Okay, so radius of cation by radius of anion. If you use this formula, okay, we can use to get the answer. Okay, then radius of atom is 300 picometer. If it crystallizes in a face-centered cubic lattice, the length of edge of the unit cell is option A 488.5 picometer, option B 848.5 picometer, option C 884.5 picometer, option D 484.5 picometer. Okay, next one. Here I given one diagram. In this, black and white squares represents atoms X and Y respectively. The simplest formula for the compound based on unit cell from the pattern as follows. Okay, so here we have unit cell formula is there. Okay, if you apply this, you can be able to find out this. Option A XY 8, option B X4 Y9, option C XY 2, option D XY 4. Okay, next one. Fifth one, the fraction of the total volume occupied by the atom present in a simple is option A, actually simple cubic. Okay, option A pi by 4, option B pi by 6, option C pi by 3 root 2, option D pi by 4 root 2. Okay, here we have packing efficiency, we have formula is there. If you apply this packing efficiency formula for simple cubic, body centered, face centered. Okay, if you apply this here, here one which type of crystal is asked means only the simple cubic is asked. Okay, here if you derive means we will be getting the answer for this. Among this, any one of them will be answer. Next one, sixth one, the edge length of the face centered cubic unit cell is 508 picometer if radius of cation is 110 and the radius of anion is dash. That's a question. Okay, option A 288 picometer, option B 398 picometer, option C 618 picometer, option D 144 picometer. Okay, next one. This is one theoretical question. We have types of semiconductor, N type, P type. Okay, how will you identify means here, P type semiconductors are formed when silicon or germanium are doped with dash. Okay, 13th group elements, 14th group elements, 15th group elements, 16th group elements. Okay, so which group elements the silicon or germanium doped, we are getting what? P type semiconductor. Okay, so if you know means you can use to solve this, you can use to get the answer for this. Okay, so these are the 7 questions. The next day I will give the solution to this problem. Okay, thank you students.